There's one. Not too bad a one. Nice. Not bad, probably 19, 20 inches maybe. 19, 20 inches maybe on the Kapper scale. And they're talking about rain starting today for the next several days. Oh, there's a nice one. Oh, that was a nice one. Doggone it. That was a nice one. There's one. That's a big one. Well, not huge, but all right. Getting better. Getting better as we go. Beautiful color. Beautiful color on them. This whole shoreline, actually this whole pond, has just loads of cover. Rocks and stumps and stuff that we put in here. And that's where they're hitting. They're hitting probably about 6 foot of water. And that's where most of the cover is along this entire shoreline. Man, it just seems like not too long ago we were down in this thing when it was empty. Another dream come true right here, to be able to fish in your backyard, you know, literally, and have some good fishing. There's one. Oh, quick release. That's all right. At least it wasn't the big one. Walter. Should have sharpened these hooks probably. There's a big old barrel. I don't know if you could see it right there. Plastic barrel or a fish structure of some kind. Come on. Oh, did you see that? You can see him actually swimming up there. I think I scared him a little. Oh, that wind. Should do a catch and cook is what I should do. Man, the color of these just looks beautiful. Water's nice and cold. Get in there. Close. Go sideways. There you go. Let's get that big one again. hit it, man. Quit bumping it. There you go. Nice one. All right. Man, these are perfect pan fryers. Nice, not too bad. Beautiful. I love the color on these. Absolutely beautiful. There's a deer down there in my food plot. Looks like a fawn, probably. All right, let's do this spot here. This should be a good area right here. Try it again. Right there. Watch this. Oh, there's a big log with a big rock. Big rocks that I laid on with the excavator. And last time I tried that spot, easy buddy, easy. I got a pretty good one right off of that log. There we go, that's perfect. This is what I'm talking about, some fishing action. Nothing big yet, but hey, at least we're catching some bass. And they are looking good. They look really healthy. Go get your daddy. Let's try it back this direction. Oh, I flubbed that one. That could work. Oh, there's a hit. Got one. Man, now we're hot. We're getting going. This is fishing action. Go get me your big buddies. Now I know they're in here. They're just a little smarter than big ones. Let's try a little different jerk. Oh, there he is. I don't know if he came back twice. A little bigger, but not quite. Not quite. Let's try this way again. That's money right there. Come on now. Missed him. Oh no, he's still on there. Nice. Man, we're just hammering them today. Easy, easy, easy. I love the color. They almost look kind of like black bass, which are more south than they are north. There's another one. Oh, yes, very nice. Lots of these little guys. There's one. Easy, buddy, easy. Nice. You can see there's that big log and those big boulders I put down. That's money. Come on, big boy. Oh, I had a hit down there. It's kind of a weak hit, but it was a hit. Oh. There's one. Oh yeah. Still nothing big yet. The biggest one got away back by the boat ramp. One more cast. One more cast and we'll go back and finish it off. Heck, we haven't even done the other side. This pond's a lot cleaner though as far as obstacles. I was afraid of that. I don't know if you can see that deer is still there, just watching me hammering the bass. They love them brassicas, man. It's been a great year for food plots.